What's up everybody, Jordan here and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a new pair of Timberland boots that I ordered recently. I'm going to be replacing my old Timberland boots that I've had for probably 4 to 6 years. They've served me well, but they're pretty beat up at this point. I wear them throughout the fall and in the winter, pretty much exclusively. But those ones have been awesome. Excited to check these ones out. I got them on sale, so they were $149.99 Canadian for me. Regular price is $200 when they're not on sale. And they have abrasion-resistant nubuck leather upper. And then the nylon laces are built for long-lasting durability. Waterproof exterior, padded collar provides ankle support and extra comfort. Leather-lined midsole adds more comfort, and then gripstick rubber outsole enhances traction and durability. And they're available in brown/tan, olive, cornstalk, red, and then gray and black, which you'll be seeing those right now as I mention them. Next, let's unbox these boots. All right, here we go. Gonna be using this Beavercraft fixed blade knife that I got a little while ago. Definitely a really solid knife. I think it's around $60, but it's handmade in Ukraine, which is kind of cool. There we go, box within a box. So you have the white and orange, Timberland there on the front, Timberland logo on the top, Timberland on the side as well. It's got my size 12, Timberland premium waterproof boot, dark brown nubuck. Cool, guaranteed waterproof since 1973, it says in the box, which is pretty cool. The box is also made with fully recycled paper and printed with water-based inks. It's also reusable and recyclable, so you can do your part. Pretty cool. Always nice to be efficient with how you use your stuff. Yeah, so there we go. That's what they look like. Those are awesome. Nice like coffee brown, black on the top. Nice grippy sole on the bottom with the Timberland logo as well. Yeah, just black, simple nylon laces. Yeah, these look awesome. Guaranteed waterproof Timberland. A little patch there. That's pretty cool. Timberland logo on the side. And we got the other one right here. Same design, obviously. Yeah, really cool. Nice and solid, but not too heavy that it's like uncomfortable. Yeah, definitely very high quality. This will be the second pair of Timberland boots that I've owned. Really excited about these. Yeah, so that's what they look like right there. Really awesome boots. Really cool design. Glad I got this color. Definitely more unique than the standard sort of, I guess, light brown you'd call it. Or yeah, excited to check these out, test them out, rock them, and yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below if you've owned any Timberlands or if you own them now, what color you have, what style. Yeah, thanks for watching. Check out my other social media links down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.